If you do 4 to 5 WODs per week, add these to your diet. Pomegranate for blood flow and endurance. Cashews for zinc and copper, steak for iron and protein, quinoa for complete plant-based fuel, kefir for gut health, oranges for vitamin C and immune support, tofu for lean plant protein, butternut squash for steady carbs, coconut water for natural electrolytes, mackerel for omega-3s, flax seeds for fiber and healthy fats, blueberries for antioxidants, olive oil for heart-healthy fats, skyr for high protein and probiotics, spinach for iron and recovery, Brazil nuts for selenium. Comment WOD Nutrition for the full guide.